Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to update Toyota Corolla software. First, access your car's infotainment system settings to identify the current software version. Next, navigate to the official Toyota website and locate the appropriate update file for your Corolla model. Ensure you download the correct version. Finally, transfer this downloaded file onto a USB drive, making sure it is formatted to FAT32 for compatibility. Before starting, make sure your Corolla's engine is running or in accessory mode to prevent power interruptions. Insert the USB drive, which contains the update file, into the designated USB port in your vehicle. The system should recognize the drive automatically. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions that appear to begin the software installation process. Do not remove the USB drive prematurely. Once the update is complete, the system will likely restart itself. Allow this process to finish entirely before interacting with the screen. After the restart, navigate back to the infotainment system settings to confirm the new software version is correctly displayed. Take a moment to test essential features such as navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and audio playback to ensure everything works as expected. Should you encounter any issues during or after the update, refer to your Corolla's owner's manual for troubleshooting tips or contact a certified Toyota dealership for professional assistance. Remember to regularly check for new software updates to keep your system running optimally and access the latest features. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This helps keep your car and home tech up to date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.